Hello English learners, my name is Alice and welcome to a new video. And today I bring you some words that have absolutely the same spelling but have different pronunciation and meaning, and that's why it's so easy to confuse them. So I hope this video will help you stop confusing them. Let's start. Our first two words are bow and bow. A bow is a noun and it has two meanings, a decoration and a curved weapon that is used to shoot arrows. For example, the archer aimed the bow at the target. To bow is a verb and it means to bend the upper part of your body forward in order to show respect or to greet someone. For example, he bowed before the king in show respect. The next word is lead or lead. A lead is a noun and it means chemical material or heavy metal. For example, the pencil contains a lead core. To lead is a verb and it means to guide or to show the way to others. For example, the tour guide led us through the forest. The next word is tear or tear. A tear is a noun and it means a salty drop that is coming out from your eyes when you are crying. For example, she wiped away a tear with a tissue. To tear is to rip, to damage. For example, the child accidentally tore the paper. The next two words are object and object. An object is a noun and it means a thing that can be seen or touched. For example, the object on the table caught my attention. To object is a verb and it means to express disapproval or disagreement with someone. For example, she objected to the new proposal. The following two words are read and read. To read is the verb and it means to look at the written text and comprehend the meaning. For example, he loves to read adventure novels. A read is a noun and it means the act of reading or interpretation. For example, his read of the situation was accurate. The next two words are bass and bass. A bass is a noun and it means a type of fish. For example, the fisherman caught a large bass in the river. Bass is an adjective and it's related to the lowest adult male singing voice or lower pitch instrument in an orchestra. For example, the bass guitar produced deep sounds in the band performance. The next two words are invalid and invalid. An invalid is a person who is disabled or sick. For example, the hospital has facilities for invalids. Invalid is an adjective and it means not valid or acceptable, void. For example, the coupon was expired and therefore invalid. The next two words are minute and minute. A minute is a noun and it means a period of time equal to 60 seconds. For example, the meeting will start in 5 minutes. Minute is an adjective and it means extremely small or precise. For example, he observed the tiny details with minute accuracy. This is the end of our video. I hope you found it useful for you. For more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.